Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Sarthak Show, where we discuss about tech, career, product and life. And today we have a very special video for you folks. It's about coding contest. So in this video, we will discover the why coding contest, how to do coding contest, what to prepare for them, and what are the perks of it or benefits of it, and why do you even care about coding contest. So in this video, we will learn everything about it. So stay tuned till the end of it to know everything about coding contest. And if you have not even subscribed to my channel here, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I put a new video. And I hope आपको ये वीडियो काफी अच्छी लगने वाली है. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So what are coding contests? Generally, coding contest is considered as a exam for software developers or coders out there. So जैसे आप इंग्लिश का पेपर देते हैं, मैथ्स का पेपर देते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल जो भी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, you give an exam against it to prove your capability. That is what is coding contest in simple layman terms. But why it is very important? Because coding contest में generally you have to code. It's more like a practical and thinking exam all together mixed in one. So आपको कुछ questions होते हैं easy to hard level पे. There is a defined time. It could be 3 hours. It could be 1 week, depending on short or long, which kind of contest you are giving it. And you have certain set of questions that you have to attempt in that short period of time. So these are generally DS based questions, but it could depend on every kind of different things. So depending on what kind of coding contest that you're targeting. But for the sake of this video, we are only considering the generic competitive coding contest or maybe the DSLGO based coding contest, where आपके सामने एक प्रॉब्लम प्रेजेंट होगा, एक स्टेटमेंट होगा, यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन, यू हैव टू राइट द फंक्शन और द कोड फॉर दैट, एंड इट विल रन ऑन मल्टीपल टेस्ट केसेस 5, 10, 100 and you will get the result. So this is how typical contest works. You will get 3, 5, 10 questions depending on their difficulty. You will get some time to solve those questions. There are 1 hour contests, there are 3 hour contests, there are like 1 week contests as well. So you can do that. There are multiple platforms out there where you can perform for coding contest. So ये हो गया brief about coding contest. Why are they important? So whatever learning that you have done, आपने जितने भी coding पढ़ लिया है, आपने जितने चीजें problem solve करी है, the coding contest is the real test of it. जैसे आप उसके खोलेंगे, आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा, आप सॉल्व करेंगे, you will then submit your code. That code will run on multiple test cases. That will show how optimized your code is. कुछ टेस्ट केसेस वो पास ही नहीं कर पाएगा, दैट मींस योर एल्गोरिथम इज नॉट रॉन्ग. कुछ टेस्ट केसेस इसलिए पास नहीं कर पाएगा बिकॉज योर कोड इज टेकिंग टू मच टाइम, सो इज लाइक योर ऑप्टिमाइज नहीं है एल्गोरिथम, राइट. सो कुछ केसेस में ऐसा होगा कि कोडिंग आपका जो टेस्ट केसेस है वो इसलिए नहीं पास हो रहे हैं क्योंकि आपने कोड में कुछ चीज़ मिस कर दी है, कोई ऐसा एज केस मिस कर दिया है, तो जनरली वो उस रीजन से पास नहीं होते. So that is the actual evaluation, how much you know about it, how do you know how to code, what kind of code that you can write, and how well an optimized code that you can write. And generally, with respect to college students or professionals, जब भी if you apply for a coding job in your fresher years or in your starting years, there is always a coding contest for every company that you apply for, because that is the easiest way to shortlist students. आपने जैसे कोडिंग कॉन्टेस्ट दिया, हाउ मेनी ऑफ दो स्टूडेंट्स स्कोर्ड फ्रॉम सर्टेन थ्रेशोल्ड, आपने उन सबका इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर दिया. यू कैन नॉट इंटरव्यू एवरी स्टूडेंट आउट देयर. आपने 1000 एप्लीकेशन से 1000 को आप इंटरव्यूज नहीं कर सकते. रिज्यूम इज समवट ओके, यू कैन नॉट जज एवरीवन बाय देयर रिज्यूम, बिकॉज जिसकी इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी होगी वो रिज्यूम बहुत अच्छा बना लेगा, इररिस्पेक्टिव उसने एक्चुअली कितना कोडिंग आती है और कितना उसने वर्क किया है. एंड पर्सनली आई बिलीव मतलब your work speaks for you, so right, तो resume के ऊपर आप बहुत ज़्यादा rely नहीं कर सकते. That's why coding contest. So आप resume के basis में mostly लोगों को shortlist कर लेंगे. Then you give a coding test, and approximately 70-80% of the students get I would say rejected in that test itself. That is the bar that the test has risen up to. So they are very important. इसीलिए बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जैसे ही एक टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं, दे ट्राई टू गो ऑन एनी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म एंड प्रैक्टिस विद द टेस्ट, क्योंकि कोडिंग कॉन्टेस्ट सॉल्व करेंगे, टेस्ट देंगे, तो दे विल बी एबल टू जज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैन कम. जनरली स्टोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, दैट कैन लाइक 1 पैराग्राफ 1 पेज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिनमें पूरी स्टोरी बिल्डअप होती है, एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ डीपी प्रॉब्लम, और इसमें ग्राफ लगेगा या इसमें कुछ और सॉल्व होगा. सो दैट इज द प्रोसेस दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो जनरली. सो द आइडिया इज मेजरली अराउंड you should give as much as coding contest you can give, because आप अच्छा कोड कभी भी रात में सोच के लिख सकते हो, कभी भी कर सकते हो। उस 3 घंटे या 1 घंटे के टाइम ड्यूरेशन में अंडर प्रेशर यू हैव टू परफॉर्म एंड गिव द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट। यू हैव टू सॉल्व टेक्निकली दैट यू सॉल्व मैक्सिमम questions, let's say 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5, and you have to solve those questions with maximum number of test cases passes. So हर question का जितना maximum test cases pass होंगे उतना अच्छा score होगा. If you get all okay, then that's the best case. So आपके में सारे test cases pass कर लिए, that's the best scenario that you know about everything. Right? You have to optimize for everything that you know. इसीलिए coding contests are very important. And also there's a very significant part of it that people rely on coding contests to go on international platforms, and so जितने भी बड़े बड़े FANG and other companies होती है, they conduct international level competitions. These are very competitive code intensive. So how do you practice? जितने आप coding contest देते जाएंगे over time on different platforms, you will get to practice more, you will get to achieve more. There are thousands of contests running every day. You will get multiple prizes. And in that word particular, I have a special announcement for you guys. So recently Newton School is working on a very large coding contest for you guys. This is the greatest coding competition, GCC, where prizes are worth lakhs. जहाँ पे कैश है प्राइजेस में, एयरपॉड्स, आपके होम डिवाइसेस, आपकी दूसरे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं प्राइजेस में. You can go and try. It's free for you guys. Also, you get to learn a lot of things in this coding contest. Where does you stand in at an international level contest? Also, what other perks is that you get to access directly to Newton School full stack course without any test or something. And if you perform very well, you get internship and job opportunities. So that's also a plus for you. अगर आप job opportunities ढूंढ रहे हैं, then try giving this contest. If you succeed, if you get good numbers and everything, then you might be able to crack some good internship and opportunity, in full-time opportunities. So what are you waiting for? There is a link in the description box below. You can try and apply via that link. I hope आपको coding contest काफी अच्छा करे, and I expect कि this will give you a brief idea why coding contests are important, and from now onwards you will try and give more and more coding contests around you. You will try to practice more around it. I want you all to succeed in your first round of interview at least, as a first round of screening at least, just because you have practiced this much, right? So coding contest दे. And I hope आपकी वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी होगी. I tried to cover all the bases around it. I will try to link other platforms where you can practice and perform coding contests, and what are the different other nuances that you have to take care about. Generally, you will get a good UI where you can write and type up your questions. You can get an error code and what kind of response that you have to perform. So don't worry about that. But practice a lot, because every platform has a different kind of UI. What hiring company is using, like for what company you are using to hire the candidate will differ, have a different UI, different experience altogether. So for that particular part, you should try and target different coding contests and different platforms. Wait, there is a special announcement for you guys. So आज चैनल पे पहली बार गिव अवे होने वाला है, and in this special give away आपको बस कुछ नहीं करना है, बहुत सिंपल स्टेप्स है. जस्ट रजिस्टर ऑन द लिंक बिलो, मेंशन इन द कमेंट्स दैट यू हैव रजिस्टर्ड एंड यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर अ गिव अवे. आवर टीम विल रीच आउट टू यू ऑन योर मीडिया, ऑन सोशल मीडिया और इन प्रोफाइल, एंड विल गिव यू द टी शर्ट. सो लकी 5 people विल गेट द टी शर्ट. सो अभी वेट किस चीज़ का है, रजिस्टर करें, कमेंट करें. एंड आई होप आपको वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी होगी, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर GCC contest. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.